Hello everyone, myself Shreya Pandey and I'm a student of BSc Honours Anthropology. Today I'm here to talk on the topic of the role of nutrition in combating human diseases. So, nutrition, as we all know, is very important and it plays a very important role in maintaining health, preventing diseases, and strengthening immunity. So in today's video, I'll try to explain about how nutrition helps the human body to fight diseases and why it is important for the society as a whole. So first of all, let's talk about what is nutrition. Nutrition is nothing but it refers to the intake of food that our body needs for growth, repair and energy. A healthy body needs a balanced diet, and it is very important to have a balanced diet to have for a good nutrition. So balanced diet, as you all can see, this is nothing but our daily meals that we have. A balanced diet should have all types of nutrients into it. For example, it should have milk, it should have fruits, vegetables and also essential oils. Now let's talk about types of nutrients. So, nutrients are nothing but the chemical substances that we get from nutrition. Nutrients are mainly of two types, macronutrients and micronutrients. So, macronutrients, we require them in larger amounts. These are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. We need carbohydrate for energy, we need protein for growth and tissue repair, and fats are required for energy storage and brain function. Now, if we talk about micronutrients, we need them in small amount, but they are also very essential for the biochemical functions that occur inside our body. So, micronutrients are like the vitamins and minerals that we require in our body. For example, iron, vitamin C, and vitamin D. As we all know that we get protein from pulses and eggs, and these support our muscle repair. And also we get iron from leafy vegetables, which prevents weakness and also prevents anemia. Now, let's talk about nutrition and body functions. So, nutrition support body functions in all means. It provides energy for daily activities. It helps in growth and repair of tissues, and it also plays a very important role in the maintenance of metabolism and hormonal activities of our body. If we have insufficient nutrition, we it may cause fatigue or protein deficiency. It may lead to muscle loss. And now let's talk about nutrition and immunity. So one of the very important role of nutrition is strengthening immunity. A strong immune system helps us in fighting against infection and diseases. For a strong immunity, we need several micronutrients also. For example, vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, etc. For example, people who have poor nutrition, they fall sick frequently because their immune system is also very weak. So nutrition is very important to have a strong immune system as well. Now let's talk about nutrition in preventing lifestyle diseases. So, lifestyle diseases are very well linked with unhealthy food habits. Uh, Excess consumption of junk food, sugar, and unhealthy fat, they necessarily results in uh, several lifestyle diseases. For example, it may lead to obesity, diabetes, and heart diseases. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low sugar helps prevent these diseases. For example, excessive sugar intake over time can lead to type 2 diabetes. Now, let's talk about nutrition and deficiency diseases. So, deficiency diseases occurs when our body lacks some specific nutrients. Um, for example, iron deficiency can cause anemia, vitamin C deficiency can cause scurvy, and even vitamin D deficiency can lead to rickets. Uh, in India, anemia is very common among the women due to low iron intake. This shows how important nutrition is. And now let's talk about nutrition in disease recovery. So, nutrition plays a very important role during illness and recovery. A nutritious diet helps in faster recovery. It prevents complications as well. For example, when a patient is recovering from a surgery, it is made sure that they are provided with protein rich diet in order so that their tissues can heal faster. And for that also we need micronutrients as well as protein support, etc. Now let's talk about nutrition as a social issue. So nutrition is not only a health issue, but it is also a social issue. Poverty, lack of awareness, and food insecurity, all these together leads to malnutrition. And for this, to address all these problems, the government runs public nutrition programs. For example, the midday meal schemes, integrated child development services, etc., to improve the nutritional status of children and their mother and reduce the disease burden. Now, let's talk about nutrition and COVID 19 and about immunity. So, during the COVID 19 pandemic, we very properly understood about the importance of nutrition and immunity. People with better nutritional status and strong immunity were able to recover faster. During COVID 19, nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, high quality protein, and some traditional foods like turmeric, etc., were widely recommended. This showed that nutrition acts as preventive health care as well. Uh, so, to conclude, I would like to highlight that nutrition plays a very important role in combating human diseases by preventing illness, uh, strengthening immunity, and supporting recovery. A healthy society is a result of its healthy individuals, and nutrition is the foundation of good health. Therefore, ensuring proper nutrition is essential not only for individuals but for the society as a whole. Now, this brings me to the end. That's my time. I hope I was able to explain you about the role of nutrition and how important it is. So, thank you and have a good day.